A bestiality suspect has attacked an inmate at the Monroe County Jail in Georgia for taunting him with donkey noises. 18-year-old Jason Weir has been incarcerated since the 27th of May after his family reported he was trying to have sex with a donkey and the family's Great Dane in the yard of a property at 2162 Pea Ridge Road in Juliet, Georgia. On Wednesday the 17th of July, another inmate, Daryl Maddock, who's incarcerated for beating up a woman, provoked Jason by making donkey sounds. In response, Jason entered Daryl's cell and punched him numerous times in the head, leaving him with a swollen forehead and bleeding from his right ear. Jailers found Daryl beaten and provided him with medical attention, while Jason had battery added to his 2 bestiality charges.